I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video I will show how to make biscuits. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter. Also, have 3/4 of a cup of cold milk or buttermilk ready. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, add the very cold butter, cut into small pieces. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Then, slowly pour in the cold milk, mixing just until the dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your biscuits tough. Time to shape our biscuits. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat it down to about 3/4 of an inch thick. Avoid kneading too much. Now, use a 2-inch biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits. For the flakiest results, press straight down without twisting the cutter. Gather the scraps, gently repat and cut more biscuits. Place them on your prepared baking sheet. Finally, it's time to bake. Place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and the biscuits have risen beautifully. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly on a wire rack. Serve these warm, fluffy biscuits with your favorite toppings like butter, jam, or a savory gravy. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.